Alright, so I just purchased this 9.5. I had it for a little while, but I haven't done any major work to it yet. It needs a fix on the leaking engine block, which means the coolant is losing out of the engine block right above the exhaust manifold, which is a typical problem I've heard if you use this car for towing and stuff. And rusty brake rotors and a major exhaust leak right under the car. I believe it's right after the catalyst, so it's pretty bad. But the other noise that I just found out it started making is not like my other 9.5, which is right behind me here, but it makes a different whining noise than a pickup. So start hearing it there. It's weird. So that's weird. So I'm gonna try ripping off the serpentine belt, see if that cures the problem, because then you know it's either a power steering pump or the alternator or water pump or something driving by the pulley, because you can hear it changes with the RPM. So, and that's nothing that does not do that with my 9.5 when the pickup is having problem picking up oil. But I love this car because it's so little rust on it. It's weird. It's like so nice. It's a little worn out in the interior wise, but it's a little dirty. But actually runs actually really good. Climate control works. Oh, the air conditioning turned on. That's something that doesn't work on my 9.5, so that's pretty cool. Cup holder of course works. Hang in this because the car didn't smell very good when I got it. I was living on a farm, so. And here's your major exhaust leak. So yeah. Oh, air conditioning works like a charm. It starts up so nicely when it's running a little while. Great car. And it's manual, which is a good thing. It needs a new gear knob, but other than that, it's actually not that bad actually. I wonder where that coin holder has went. They usually fall down this area. Oh, there it is actually. It's way down here. Right under the handbrake. Typical. There's a lot of grease on it. Look at that. It's pinched by the handbrake. Mine did just the same thing. Needs a adjustment on the handbrake as well, because look how far it goes. Like damn dildo. And it also only grips on the one of the wheels. I guess it's a ripped cable somewhere. So this will be has been damaged quite a lot. So there you go. At least better than having a hole there. So yeah. And the clutch pedal actually returned to exactly where it's supposed to be. When I first bought the car, the clutch pedal was sitting there. And when I pushed it in, you have to push it like into the floor carpet to actually get it to engage in any gear. But the clutch, it gripped, but as soon as you let go, like a tiny bit, it gripped, so I had to like squeeze it down to the floor to make it work. But now, it appears to be working just fine. Every pedal seems good. It's like a very good feeling pedal as well. It's a very nicely set up pedal. And since it is a hydraulic system, it feels a lot better than a cable operated clutch, so great stuff. I have to pick up some stuff from this car. So oh. Only rust is down here. And that's little compared to what's on my other 9.5. So I'm gonna put these by the documentations. Oh, look at that, extra light bulbs. That's awesome. Didn't know it came with that. So yeah.